My name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to make glitter in Photoshop. So here I have a picture of my lips that I want to make glittery. And the trick to glitter is it's basically just a reflective surface to make something shine. So what I'm going to do is actually use the dodge tool. And I'm not going to use my pen tablet. I'm going to be a little bit more specific. And I'm just going to start kind of playing around with my photo here. And let's see here. So I'm going to go ahead and add some sparkle. And it's best to add some glitter that is kind of not too shiny, just so you can get that mix of bright and shine. So like glitter, not all glitter is just going to sparkle all the same. Some of it's going to sparkle differently. So I'm just going to and in fact, some of these I'm actually going to go overboard with this shine. You can do this with anything. You can do this with not just photos, but with illustrations, with anything you want. And the basic way to make something glitter or shine is just to add the dodge tool, pretty much, and just go overboard with the dodge. And make it most sparkly where the light is really touching it, like here. As you can see now what my lips look like, they're actually glittering. And then if you really want to go all out, there's a brush here. I believe it is the DP brushes. And this is a big brush, so I'm going to drop down to small. And you can do something like that, and you can make it even smaller, like that. And then if you want, you can even just go in here, I'm going to zoom in, use a regular brush, or you can go to assorted brushes. And you see there's this one little sparkle here that I really like. There is your glitter. My name is Alex, and this is how you make glitter in Photoshop. Thank you.